I'm going to tell everyone what you said.
What?
So I said to babe that I'm going to remove my makeup now. So he said, so you're going to make so you can be unbeautiful. Guys, what do you have to say for for yourself?
Is it all your beauty is already on the sofa?
This man, guys.
What?
Anyways, it's fine. This is like on.
Now you're free. Now you remove on the sofa for sleeping. No problem. Everything is brown.
If I'm tired, I sleep.
Yeah. It's a different. I forget. Yeah, sorry.
Anyways, guys, so we brought you upstairs because babe carried this by himself up the stairs. So I was like, oh, I can do it by myself. Babe, careful. So I want to show you guys what this is. Woohoo! Styrofoam. Yeah. There's glass in there. Oh, this is actually part of the... I thought it was rubbish.
It's a big one.
Yeah. Okay, guys. I don't know where to put you guys because I need to help my love. Okay. I'm going to put you guys down. But yeah, we have these things. And it comes with the kit. So this is the nice thing. And when babe saw the keys, like it's got a key, I'm like, yep, I'm going to lock you out. And then it's got the circles, 2 of these. For swivel. I really don't remember how it looks like, but hey. Oh. The swivel thing is completely at the bottom. Guys, we're going to construct this and we're going to show you laters. So it says the first part is this. Oh no. It says this, but which way does it face? Help me, I don't know now. Faces like that. Babe, I used to be independent woman.
I see.
Okay, no, I used to pay for everything to be done. So
Yeah, guys. No. Don't stop the video.
It's not stopping. It's turning to you.
I met this girl in South Africa, but yes, there was a girl for everything. One makes the kitchen, one makes the clothes. She even don't know where the clothes. Everything was.
Yeah, because in South Africa, labor is
You
cheap.
have somebody for everything.
Yeah.
Your brother was your driver.
Hmm.
You have a license, but you never drive a car. After you found me, then I drive. Then I crash a car and I pay.
You crashed it. You didn't crash it.
Pothole.
You just got in a pothole.
Yeah, a little small one, but
Ah.
don't worry, I'm a mechanic, so I'll fix it.
Yeah, and how much was the pay after to get the tire fixed? The whole wheel.
The rims.
Yeah, the
You say
wheel.
rims, huh? Yeah.
The mag.
Yeah, oh, it was a little bit, but yeah. No risk, no fun, yeah?
It was dark. Guys, if you know the potholes in Mpumalanga, right?
Oh my.
In Mpumalanga. This man at night in the dark, street he's never driven before. He's driving like a crazy man. Potholes showed him. He thinks this is Germany. Thinks it's Europe.
It's not Autobahn.
It's not the Autobahn. Anyways, let's finish this. Guys, it's all set. There's our mirror.
Just forget your very important parts. I don't.
What are these parts for?
You say it's important. Can I?
Maybe it goes inside. Yeah, you can remove it. Baby's obsessed with removing the plastics because he knows I won't remove it. Oh, it's so much better without the plastic. Look at that. Babe.
But your hair's electric.
Oh yeah, it actually made it static now. And it's got a key here.
No, there's something.
I can put, see, but now there's going to be fingerprints. There's already makeup on the thing. I'm going to put stuff here. You want to lock it? We don't need a key. It's locked now. Open. See, there's already prints. Ooh. Oh, there's supposed to be light here. We need to put batteries at the top, but because it's supposed to be light. Remove plastic. Oh, I thought this was a crack, hey? No, it's something. It's like a plastic or something. But this thing is nice. We can put batteries in there.
Yeah, it's here.
Yeah. Can hang things.
AAA 3.
Yeah, triple A.
3.
We got. Hey, what do you put in all of these things? We've got a mirror in our room now. Let's go shower.
Oh.
First, we go throw out the rubbish.
Yeah, but you go.
Yeah, I'll go.
You have